So during draw, you have the hotkey of Alt-E to toggle between the various types of solvers inside of Blender that are utilized by Boxcutter just under the hotkey of Alt-E. It even says that in the notification display. So right now we're working under Exact. Exact can be fun. However, there does come a time whenever you have it in your workflow that you'll notice that it begins hitting you a little bit hard as far as performance goes. So right now I'm just performing a series of cuts under Exact, and eventually we'll start to see the speed catch up as the boxes lose a little bit more and more of their FPS with every operation. And this is just one of the big differences between fast and Exact, and one of the reasons that we decided to add it to the notification to increase user awareness. So whenever you're working, just keep that in mind, that Exact can definitely have its benefits for helping you solve some coplanar situations, but can also have some unneeded implications whenever it comes to speed as you continue working with it. In fact, as I've gotten further in these cuts, I'm now at 15 modifiers according to my helper notification, and we see that the cuts are now performing even slower than before. However, the interesting thing is that if we were to go under the HardOps icon for bevel, we can actually look at the Booleans and we see that everything is set up for Exact. If we click the fast button, they're all set to fast. Now the next cut that we performs, even though it's under Exact, it performs a lot faster because all the subsequent mods underneath are a lot more fluid. There I pressed Alt-E to change back over to fast, and we see that we're able to work a lot more fluidly underneath fast than we were under Exact. Of course, this is something that I believe is only going to be temporary for Exact, and it'll only be getting faster from here on out, maybe even be faster by the time that you guys are watching this video. But just letting you know that there are some definite speed differences and performance hits that come between fast and Exact, but we do add the ability to press D and toggle that on the fly. You can also do it in the helper, but most importantly, the Alt-E hotkey will allow you to change your solver on the fly.